First referee, Mr. Choi Bukid, National Referee. Second referee, Adrian Tabanyag, International Referee. And now, please welcome the starting six for the Ateneo de Manila University. Jersey number 4, Joshua Alexis Villanueva. Jersey number 8, Team Captain Isay Marasigan. Jersey number 11, Rex Intal. Jersey number 14, Ish Polvorosa. Jersey number 15, Mark Espejo. Jersey number 18, Janjan Rivera. Their libero, Manuel Sumanggid III. And their head coach, Coach Oliver Almadro. And now welcome the starting six for the De La Salle University Dasmariñas with jersey number 2, Brian Paul Castro. Jersey number 4, guest player Wilbert Sapida. Jersey number 10, Edimar Kasim. Jersey number 13, Ibrahim Kasim. Jersey number 14, Aidam Adam. Jersey number 15, Jerome Roland Mirano. Their libero, John Mark Pomada. And their head coach, Joven Racelis. Good luck to both teams.
Naisip siguro ng Ateneo ngayon, Verde na naman. Kalaban natin. Ano next game natin? Benil?
Wala kasawaan.
Ano next game natin? Benil? Puro Verde na. But they were able to defeat the Green Spikers the first matchup. So titignan natin if they can replicate that kontra dito sa La Salle Dasmariñas. As we are about to get underway dito po sa ating labanan. Glad to have you with us, Noel Zarate. Kasama si Tita Mosi Ravena. At maya-maya yung ating third member, si Crystal Bachelor, na mag-aatid sa atin ng aksyon mula sa sidelines. First serve belongs to La Salle Dasmariñas. At ang kanilang setter, si Jerome Mirano, will get us in play. And of course, yung ating referees, pang 5 sets yung dalawang referees.
Ito si Joy.
Si Joy Bukid.
Si Adrian.
Adrian Tabanyag. Yun talaga.
Nako, trumayan ba kayo
Wala naman si Norinza kasi kaya okay lang tayo. Kailangan lahat ng components na yun magkakasama eh.
Bolt in lang?
Bolt in lang. Ay, wala pa tayong...
Jamie, is that you?
Meron na ba tayong 5-setter dito sa Spikers Turf? Wala pa, di ba?
Check natin yan.
Wala pa. So,
Four pa lang.
First day mo sa Spikers Turf.
Nanganganib ka, 4 pa lang. So, pwede namang ikaw ang uno.
Ikaw first day mo dito, so alam na. At inaayos pa yung starting lineup dito ng Ateneo.
You can see Ateneo, look at them. They're familiar faces because why? Yung rebuilding talaga ni Coach Oliver.
Right.
Very young team to, siguro 3 years ago, diba? Ito na eh.
Pero nag-i-insert na si Oliver Almado ngayon ng mga bagong players.
Well, syempre, usually naman. Pero nakita mo, 5 dito, yung veterano.
Exactly.
Ito lang si Sumang. Ayan.
Bago.
Spider, may pagka-Spider-Man yan. Grabe kumapit sa...
napanood na natin yan.
Yep,
Service ace naman para dito kay Jerome Miranos. We are underway para sa La Salle Dasmariñas. So the Patriots, mga story teams dito, mga 10-year champion yata ito si NCRAA.
Nung si Coach August Santa Maria nga daw was coach and helping them out.
Mark Espejo.
Hi kay Coach August Santa Maria.
Si Coach August, malakas pa rin yan, ha? Ultra Fast Spike brought to us by PLDT Homoltera, the Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Welcome to the Spikers Turf, La Salle Dasmariñas, sabi ni Mark Espejo.
Ganda rin yan, di ba? Na iba-iba yung magkakalaban.
Right.
And kanina, during the warm-up, I can see na marami ring malalakas pumalo dito sa La Salle Dasma.
No, albeit na hindi katangkaran compared sa lineup dito ng Ateneo. But that time, Brian Castro able to get the point para sa La Salle Dasmariñas. At siya na rin ang magsaserve. Polvorosa sending it over to Marasigan. Dug up well. Marasigan, second time around. Wala pa rin. At miscommunication that time para sa La Salle. And that'll be a point now for Ateneo. Si Adam. Yan pala yung pangalan niya. Adam.
Para hindi na masyadong mahirap.
Madali lang yan.
Pag nalimutan ko pa yan.
Ewan ko na sa'yo, Tita Mosi.
Ako na.
Matinding memory gap yan. Sapida, turn back there by Villanueva. And net violation will be called against Ateneo.
Ayan na, yung pinag-uusapan namin matagal kanina ni Adrian Tabanyag, ni referee Adrian Tabanyag, yung net violation na yun. Kasi binalik nga dun sa dati.
Buong net, makukuryente ka na.
Sabi naman niya now, lesser na yung reklamo because net ay net, di ba?
Yes. Villanueva. And as we mentioned earlier, he won Player of the Game honors sa kanilang victory kontra sa Lasal. Nakapuntos para sa Ateneo. Tabla tayo, 3-all. Ito na, the son of God. Mark Espejo. Ito na yung kanyang jump serve. Parating na. Boom! Good the job there by Pomada and good defense by Villanueva at the net once again.
And so far, Ateneo, you can see yung commitment sa net is always there. Kaya ito, up by 1 sila. Pero nga, Lasal ay just a point down naman din.
Right. Maganda simula rito ng Lasal Dasmariñas. Espejo, there it is again. Grabe, Pomada, ang galing, ano?
Pero, yes, exactly. Parehong sa libero na punta yun. And Pomada just taking that very strong serve of Espejo.
Eddie Marcasim, tumawid.
Nagsisilexing pa si Pomada. Ano ba?
Alam niya, kanya ulit eh. Nakangiti pa. Sige, sama. One more time. Let's go, Espejo. Oh.
Nilag niya.
Galing, ano? Para si Bruce Lee.
Pwede mag,
Keanu Reeves.
Oo, Keanu Matrix.
Pwede. Pero dapat patas yung, yung ilag niya. 5-4. Pomada will be a big factor today, ha?
Ito nga, ayan, yung laban ni Pomada at saka ni Sumanggit. Panood-oodin ko ngayon to.
Dalawang malilikot na libero. Pero ito, nakadali naman ang puntos daw si John Rivera. On the ultra-fast spike brought to us by PLDT Homolterra, the ultra-fast LT for a happy family. And again, ang ganda ng benta ni Ish Polvorosa doon sa kanyang quick play. Lumabas doon sa kombinasyon.
You should have seen si Ish, lalo na nung SEA Games. Nag-up talaga yung level ng game. Yung delay and yung distribution.
Puntos for Lasal Dasmariñas on a violation against Rex Intal at the net. The LDT Homolterra, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family with speeds of up to 10 Mbps monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. Sapida with the serve ngayon. Lasal Dasmariñas down by 3. Running attack, Rex Intal.
There you go. Ito rin, Rex Intal really step yung ibang level, no?
Right.
And playing on top of his game.
8-4 ang score natin. Ateneo up. Here our first technical timeout. Correction in the score, folks. The score is actually 7-5. So wala pa tayo dapat sa technical timeout. But we will hear now from Cristel Bachelor.
Medyo matagal-tagal ng araw since the last time Ateneo played as a complete Ateneo team. Kaya naman medyo nakulangan sa aggressiveness si Coach Oliver Almadro the last time versus DLSU TAF. This time naman versus DLSU Dasma, baon-baon daw nila kanilang UAAP level of play. Advantage daw nila ito ayon kay Coach. He was also quick to acknowledge DLSU Dasma's championship experience in various leagues. Pati na rin kung gaano sila kalakas umatake. Ang DLSU Dasma naman medyo kabado pang araw being neophytes in this type of tournament. Pero ang kanilang new head coach na si Coach Joven Roselis, normal lang daw ang pakiramdam because he is already used to this kind of pressure. Under his helm, he has already steered the team into 2 league championships so far. Back to you guys.
Well, 8-6 now is our score. And of course, itong kupunan ng Lasal Dasmariñas, many-time NCRAA champion. Of course, finished third in the Prisa this year, finished second in the NCRAA. Pero again, ang daming bata naman sa kanilang lineup ngayon.
That is right. And yung coach nila, 2 years pa lamang. So also a very young coach for this squad.
Talking about Joven Roselis, of course, Lasal Dasma dumidikit ngayon. At sabi ni Choi Bukid, I will talk to the linesman. May nireklamo si Captain Marasigan.
Ako, kailangan on their toes ang ating mga line judge.
The point is awarded to Ateneo.
Oo, dahil ang bibilis ng bola, partner.
Right.
Ang lalakas ng palo. And that's coming from both ends.
So Choi Bukid reverses the call. 3-point lead ngayon para sa Blue Eagles. Served by Rivera. Pomada. Mirano. Sending it over to Kasim. This is Ibrahim Kasim. Dalawang Kasim po on the floor ngayon para sa Lasal Dasmariñas. Mirano with a good block. Espejo cross court is a miss.
That's right. Adjusted on the second try. Went wide. So, Lasal Dasma gets that point.
Dumidikit po itong Lasal Dasmariñas against the reigning UAAP champions. So Mirano back to serve ngayon. Polvorosa sending it to Espejo. That time wala magawa sa Pumada.
Ito, Espejo right away getting that point after an error.
Ganda ng ngiti na ganito si Pumada. Parang, sige.
Stretch.
Serve by Rex Intal is a good one. One hand set. Tinawid na lamang yan ni Castro.
That's a good save.
And Villanueva too low. Dug up again and a free ball now from Mirano. Polvorosa ngayon. Papunta rito kay Marasigan. Turn back there at the net by Adam.
At yun ang maganda naman, yung hindi rin binitawan ng Lasal Dasma yung blocking nila, and they got that point.
Nakangiti sila, which is a bad sign para dito sa Ateneo na very
Enjoy lang.
Enjoy ito mga Patriots. Polvorosa, Villanueva tried to use the left hand, lifting violation here against Ibrahim Kasim. Itong palayo ni Ibrahim Kasim, matutuwa tayo, si Kobe. Kobe Kasim. Yan. Sanay ka na. Si Kobe. Oh. Andyan din si Lakay sa kanila. Local naman.
Yun naman parang normal sila kayo.
Yan.
Oh,
Serve here coming from Marasigan.
that's right. Kasim, that's Eddie Moore Kasim, just looking at that ball. Akala niya lalabas eh.
Oo. Hindi pwedeng akala sa volleyball. Ang bilis ng action dito. 4-point lead now for Ateneo. Marasigan, Pomada, Mirano, sending it to the other side kay Adam, and Adam is turned back at the net.
It was slightly over-received by Pomada.
And a timeout ngayon tatawag dito si Joven Racelis. 5 na naging abante rito ng Blue Eagles.
Ayaw mo gano'n ng ayos eh. Sila, mataas pa lang yung bola sila, naka-ready na kayo, hinihintay nyo tumawid bago kayo gagalaw. Huwag natin pabayaan yung bola. Tawid tayo.
Umiinom pa ng tubig si Pomada, tinawag agad. Jamark, halika rito. Minsan lang magpahinga yan. Again, tapos isapo yung matchup natin sa dalawang libero will be interesting. Ito si JM Pomada kontra rito kay Sumanggid. And PLDT Home Ultera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family with speeds of up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos.
Sabi ko kanina kay Sumanggid, dalingan mo sagot sa akin, ba't galit ka? Sabi sa
Comedy. Ito si Sumang, ilang taon pa lang ba ito? This guy is like 16 years old.
He is very young, of NU volleyball program.
Right. Sapida turned back there by Villanueva. 6 na ang abante rito ng Ateneo.
Ang nagiging problema dito sa Lasal Dasma yung first ball nila. So it's too close to the net. So almost most of the points, itong mga latter points nila was just trying to save the ball.
But now Marasigan with the serve. Mirano, that's a delayed setup para kay Sapida. Espejo. Sapida inangat para dito kay Kasim. Polvorosa, Espejo off the block. And a point para sa Ateneo. Si Adam tumama sa net.
Sayang, nakakuha na naman dyan ni Pomada yung dig.
Against Espejo, yan na magiging tinik ni Espejo ngayon eh. Eto si Pomada, parang kulit itong batang to Sabagay, bata rin siya. Here's Marasigan on the serve.
Yes, and Marasigan doing really well at that service line.
Adam, yan na.
Smart move.
Adam. Scoring para dito sa kupunan ng Lasal Dasmariñas. 6 mga bante rito ng Ateneo.
Maganda yung ginawa niya, hindi nila makuha dun sa mga mapalo nila. So off the block na lang ang ginawa ni Adam.
Ito ko yun, si Kobe Kasim. Polvorosa, Espejo.
That was just a beautiful set coming from Polvorosa.
Espejo now gives Ateneo a 7-point lead. Papunta sa ating second technical timeout. Magpapalik po kami. So far, so good for the Ateneo Blue Eagles. They are up by 7 kontra sa Lasal Dasmariñas, 16-9. Noel Zarate kasama si Tita Mosi Ravena at si Crystal Bachelor as the service ace is good. Para dito kay Mark Espejo. Siya na muna, starring Mark Espejo itong first set natin.
And again, yung first ball talaga ng Dasma, medyo kanina they were staying with the just Ateneo, at least in the beginning.
Right.
Pero dun sa service ni Marasigan, nahirapan sila.
Oh, yun. Pumada able to get a great reception. And that will set up Adam, but Adam will overshoot. And again, Pumada, nakangiti. Sa akin ulit to, boys. Let's do this. Talagang parting of the Red Sea ginawa rito ng Lasal Dasmariñas. Kunin mo, partner. Oh, but they cannot get that one because it's the official ball of the Spikers turf.
What a spot for Mark. Ano ba? Target ba yun?
Oh, iniwas lang ng konti kay Pumada. 10 kabate ng Ateneo. Time out, Lasal Dasmariñas.
Mas malakas pa nga jump serve mo. At tinatatakot sa jump serve niya, hindi naman nakakamatay jump serve. Yan Mark, mas na lang yung muna yan. Makaramdam mo kayo.
Kaya natin. Okay naman yung ginagalaw natin. Relax lang tayo.
Papawi na tayo ha.
Huwag tayo makipagsabayan sa kanila. Huwag tayo makipagsabayan. Okay yung mas nalabera ko ninyo. Ano mo? Saan?
Sabi ni Coach, mas malakas pa serve mo dyan eh.
Oo nga.
Natatakot sa serve niya. Sila nakatakot naman tignan.
Tsaka hindi raw nakakamatay. Malamang ako una. Pag ako nilagay mo sa ako unang mapapwede pa.
Serve na nakakamatay. Ito kay Espejo. Oh, hininaan na niya yun. Naabutan naman ni Pumada. Mirano.
Oh.
And the Sapida turn back right down. Here is Eddie Marcasim. Bumalik. Polvorosa keeps it alive. Teka muna. Tumawid si Polvorosa sa ilalim. Kailangan umikot
Pwede yun
eh.
No. Pwede yun. Basta wag lang siya apak dun sa
guhit.
teritoryo ng, yung teritoryo ng kabila. Pero kailangan mabalik niya dito rin sa green side.
Right. So ito kaya na serve ni Adam. Polvorosa. Talagang hinintay niya si Villanueva makapwesto, no?
Hindi, si Ish Polvorosa, he just makes everybody look good.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
Because of his sets.
Isipin mo dito, mga college teammates yung pinapasahan niya ngayon. Pero nung nasa SEA Games, all-star team yung
Correct.
pinasahan niya ron. And there is Sapida scoring. So, Joboy Sapida, nakadali ng puntos doon. Para malayo-layo pa rin nakabulin dito ng Patriots. Down by 9.
Kailangan nila yung siguro more risk on their part. Itong Lasal Dasma.
Polvorosa, saan galing si Espejo?
great
Buhay
save.
pa rin.
Great save.
Polvorosa, Marasigan, buhay pa rin. Not anymore.
Marasigan, just a smart move right there. And ang nakikita mo kasi sa Ateneo is that yung fluidity
Yes.
inside the
May
court.
familiarity na rin
Oh,
kasi.
yun na nga eh. Pag naglalaro together and you can really see it, at least in this set.
And you're right, sumanggit lang naman talaga yung bago nilang player dyan. Pumada, Mirano, galing likod. Adam, sent back. Pumada, will recycle. Drop shot there coming from Castro. Polvorosa ngayon for Rivera. And hindi na naman mabubuhay yan ng Lasal. Adam is not really in his element right now.
I think
Kanilang first matchup, ang ganda ng floor defense yan.
that's right. And they cannot give easy balls to Ateneo.
Right. Ultra fast spike po yan. Atin sa atin na PLDT Homolterra, the Ultra Fast LTE for happy family.
Kailangan lahat ng ibabalik nila. Kailangan ma-challenge ang
Right.
Ateneo, whether it's a drop ball or...
Oh, may service ace pa si Polvorosa. So Ish Polvorosa doing everything for the Blue Eagles. 2 puntos na kailangan ng Ateneo para makuha itong ating first set. Polvorosa once again. Kabila naman ngayon. Nandun na si Pumada. Lifted up. Adam, naabangan ni Rexintal.
Perfect timing. Wag na, hintayin natin ang pagsasayaw nitong si Sumang. At yan ang...
Di ba nasa GGB sumayaw na yan sa
Kung
GGB?
hindi yan volleyball player, alam mo na.
That one goes out. Shinare niya yan kay Vice.
Sinishare niya sa lahat yan. With team B.
24-12 ang ating score. Magtabi kaya sila ng 30 Ravena. Magaling doon sumayaw yun, ha?
Pwede.
Ish Polvorosa, Isay Marasigan. That is set in the air at lalabas yan. So Ateneo taking the first set easily kontra sa Las Aldas Marinas 25-12. A lot of power shown, especially by Mark Esteo, but it has been the sending of Ish Polvorosa that has really done the damage dito. Pati na rin ang depensa galing dito kay Rex Intal. We will have the second set when we return. Stay with us. Ito po ang Spikers Turf.